Combined Library Service Examination Important Questions. Question number 6. Video Part 2. Question number 26. Raw, unelevated, unprocessed and unorganized facts is known as option A. Data, B. Information, C. Knowledge, D. Wisdom. Answer is A. Data. Question number 27. Information retrieval is fastest from dash. Option A. Floppy disk, B. Magnetic tape, C. Hard disk, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Hard disk. Question number 28. An university providing open access to Sanskrit dissertation through internet. A. Jawaharlal Nehru University, B. Delhi University, C. Mahatma Gandhi University, D. University of Madras. Answer is B. Delhi University. Question number 29. In which of the following term truncation is used? Option A. Budgeting, B. Search formulation, C. Coordination, D. Classified bibliography. Answer B. Search formulation. Question number 30. The CD alphabets in the CDs ISIS stands for dash. A. Computerized documentation, B. Condensed disk, C. Confirmed disk, D. Compact disk. Answer is A. Computerized documentation. Question number 31. Electronic telecommunication system joining million of computers together is dash. Option A. Email, B. Internet, C. US mail, D. UPS. Answer is B. Internet. Question number 32. Following is not a social bookmarking site. A. Dick, B. Delicious, Squiddo, Facebook. Answer C. Squiddo. Question number 33. Following is not a network protocol. A. HTTP, B. SMTP, C. TCP/IP. D is Z39.50. Answer is D. Z39.50. Question number 34. LOCKOSS software is an international community initiative by dash. Option A. MIT Libraries, Option B. Stanford University, Option C. University of Waikato, Option D. University of Southampton. Answer is B, that is Stanford University. Question number 35. Identify the odd one from the following. A. Koha, B. VTLS, C. Slim++, D. Soul. Answer is A. Koha. Following is not a Web 2.0 tool. Option A is blog, B. Facebook, C. UGC-INFONET 2.0, D. RSS feeds. Answer is C. UGC-INFONET 2.0. 37. Following is an example of microblogging. A. Wordpress, B. Blogspot, C. Livejournal, D. Twitter. Answer is D. Twitter. Question number 38. Nowadays, how many types of protocol are used? A5, B4, C3, D2. Answer is D. 2. 2 types of protocol are used. Answer 39. Question number 39. Which type of protocol is used by interface for public data network? அதாவது PDN அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல. A into 25.25, B into 0.12, C that is in X 0.13, D X 0.20. Answer is A, X 0.25. Question number 40. In which 5-year plan INFLIBNET was established? A. 4th 5-year plan, 5th 5-year plan, C. 6th 5-year plan, D. 7th 5-year plan. Answer D. 7th 5-year plan. Question number 41. resource sharing is a part of A, option A, library cooperation, B, library administration, C, library management, D, library cataloging. Answer A, library cooperation. Which one is a full text e-resource? A, JCCC, B, ISID, C, Science Finder Scholar, D, ACS. Answer is D, ACS. Which one is E-Bibliographic database? A, Nature, B, Blackwell, C, ISID, D, Springer. Answer is C, ISID. Question number 44. Virtua accommodates different version of the mark standard. A, US mark, B, UK mark, C, CAN mark, D, SWI mark. All the above அப்படின்றது answer. So answer D, SWI mark, all of above. Question number 45. Which is Journal of Library and Information Science? A, Abacus, B, Acta Numerica, C, Interlending and Document Supply, D, all of above. Answer C, Interlending and Document Supply. Question number 46. Electronic library is dash. A, magazine, B, journal name, C, a library, A, encyclopedia. Answer is B, a journal name. Electronic library என்பது ஒரு ஜேர்னலுடைய நேம். இது previous year question paperல கேட்டது. So question number 47. Which tool is a library management software for small libraries? A, Library Solution Follett, B, Follett and MSN, C, MSN and TAR, D, LOCKOSS and Live Search. Answer A, Library Solution and Follett. Question number 48. What is APS? A, search engine, B, full text e-resource, C, bibliographic database, D, library management software. Answer is B, a full text e-resource. Question number 49. Which one is Library and Information Science Journal name? A, Reference Review Incorporating ASLIB Book Guide, B, Reference Review Incorporating ASLIB Book Journal, C, Reference Review Incorporating ASLIB Book Review, D, Reference Review Incorporating ASLIB E-Book. Answer is A. இது answer. Reference Review Incorporating ASLIB Book Guide. Question number 50. Questionnaire is a dash. Questionnaire என்பது என்ன? A, research method, B, measurement technique, C, tool for data collection, D, all the above. Answer வந்து tool for data collection. So questionnaire is a tool for data collection. இதுல வந்து answer வந்து A, research method அப்படின்றது கிடையாது. இது ரிசர்ச்ல இருக்கிற கொஸ்டினர் என்பது ரிசர்ச்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு மெத்தட் தான். ஆனா அதை விட ஏவை விட சி தான் வந்து ரொம்ப அப்ராப்ரியேட்டான ஆன்சர். இது ஒரு டூல், டேட்டா கலெக்ஷனுடைய ஒரு டூல். ஓகே, ஐ வைண்ட் அப். தேங்க்யூ.